Ever wondered how you can switch between multiple Snapchat accounts on the same device? Here's how. To begin with, open the Snapchat app on your device. Once inside, click on your profile icon located at the top left corner. Then click on the settings icon at the upper right corner. After that, scroll all the way down to the account section. Here you will find the logout button. Just tap on it. Next, confirm your choice by tapping logout again. At this point, if your other account credentials are already saved on your device, you will see the account listed here. Just hit the login button. However, if the account is new or hasn't been saved on your device, click on the switch account option. Finally, enter the username and password for that account and hit the login button. And that's it. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.